What's going on, Schmitty Garage? Just fixed the garage door. This thing has been getting stuck, it's been popping, it's been making all sorts of funny noises. Now it's smooth as glass. Replace the door track wheels. Yeah. They're not supposed to be like that. This one's really bad. Missing some bearings. All toast. This is a 1970s garage door. It's made of wood. So what we did is you took off every single bracket and then put in brand new wheels. They're like 25 bucks. Lubricated every single hinge. Everything, every moving component, lubricated the chain on the garage door, the track, put on washers on every single hinge. What else did we do? Just to call out, this is a safety concern. You never, ever take the bottom hinges off, and you got to open it all the way up, and then make sure there's no tension on the cable up there, because it's very dangerous. So. Job done. Took me about 2 to 3 hours, never doing this before, so they sell these kits online. Just type in garage door wheels. All right, peace.